Bird's Eye comic strip, story number 5. The Scarlet Ibis and Kokriko sisters are angry with each other. Scarlet Ibis says to her sister, "I am angry with you, sister." Kokriko replies, "I am not talking to you either, sister." Two hummingbirds help the sisters to reconcile. One hummingbird appeals to Scarlet Ibis, saying, "Life is too short." The other hummingbird advises Kokriko, saying, "Remember all that you have been through together." The two sisters agree with the hummingbirds. They forgive each other and reconcile. Kokriko says to her sister, "Together we aspire." Scarlet Ibis replies, "Together we achieve." When we are angry, we sometimes forget the love that we should have for one another. Out of anger, we may say or do things that we may regret. It is important to put aside our differences for peace and prosperity. Remember the national motto of Trinidad and Tobago: "Together we aspire, together we achieve."